It's a beautiful Friday morning here in Medjugorje, and let's go together to the church. It's around 20 minutes to 9, and let's check together what's going on at St. James Church. What I want to offer another mass for my loved ones departed, and we will go together there. But first, see Our Lady, no? Beautiful as always. And there we go. It's already very, very hot. How can you see that? You can see that like that. Over here, look at the dog in the shadow. And when you're here, be careful, the sun is so hot and intense here in Medjugorje. See, people get already water over there, and we are going to go over here to the parish office where you can order masses. You can pay in dollar, euro, marks, in different currencies, and the masses are read in parishes where there is not a lot of money. The money is given there. It's like 10 euros for a mass. Here it is. And by that you help parishes, poor parishes. And I will go up here. Here it is. See, there's the bookshop over there, the Franciscan bookshop. Here as well. And here is the parish to order masses. You can see that here. And I leave you with that view.